This is Boss Man from Swing Trade Snipers, and I'm back again with another video to help you with your trading. In today's video, I would like to go over why people or more people don't trade in the stock market. And I wanted to break it down for you guys to bring it as clear as I can, okay? And the best way that I could come up with this is because I made a video, if y'all can go check it out, where it's like a business versus the stock market, okay? And basically what I'm letting you know in this video is if you had a business, you're taking more risk than what we're teaching over here at Swing Trade Snipers in the stock market. People have got stocks have got this bad rap of you know, it's so risky and whatnot. And what we found out was they were right. It was risky to them because they didn't know a candlestick. The more and more I learn this candlestick every day, y'all, is opening my eyes to now how seriously, like, if I thought about going and buy a property or open a business and have a second business, technically I don't, because in options, all you have to do to make more money, because that's all you're doing with another business is making more monies. All you have to do is, because we know what's getting ready to happen, you just put up more than you did before. And now you have a raise. Just that quick. Now I get it, people want to spread their money out, and there's nothing wrong with that at all, okay? But I'm telling y'all, I am seeing some things over here that's really blowing my mind. The way they taught us to be, how they taught us to, you know, go to school, college, go work for somebody for 100 years and then get an SSI check and, you know, get a couple dollars every month for the rest of your life. That's how they taught us to, you know, in this United States, that's how they taught us to be. And I'm finding out that you can do that if you choose to, and most of us did that. But that, to me now, what I know now, they was playing us the whole time, y'all. When I look back at it, the hours of work, what is the main hours of work? 9 to 5, right? What is the hours of trading? You see what I'm saying? 9:30 to 4. So if you're working, you know, you got other problems. You're gonna be focused on that. They pay you $10 an hour, $11 an hour. When I was growing up, that was a lot of money if you got paid that an hour. Now that I'm trading, I'm literally making somebody daily salary in less than 10 seconds on certain trades. I'm making a monthly salary in 5 minutes, and I got the videos to prove it. So my point is, when I seen this, I said to myself, this is a no-brainer. I want to learn everything I have to learn about trading so that I don't ever have to work again. I don't ever have to worry about money again. If I can make thousands of dollars a day, which I showed y'all that it is simply possible to do with what we teaching, you now have a skill. Y'all hear that? A skill. Because that was the mission, right? Is go to school to learn reading, math, and, you know, everything, the history, everything they teach you, right? You go to college to learn how to do a trade and get a skill. And then you come out of that college and you practice your skill. Doctor, lawyer, contractor, dentist, I don't know. But you practice your skill for the rest of your life. You start businesses with it, or you might work for somebody with it and get paid high because you got college degree. But what I'm finding out was YouTube exposed a lot of that crap, y'all. You don't have to go to college no more. It's all on YouTube. Now, certain people, I get it. Doctors, lawyers, certain people got to go to college because you need them credentials that they want you to have. But I also know that some paralegals know more than the darn lawyers know. And the paralegal can't become a lawyer because he was in jail. I done seen it with my own eyes. So they use the paralegal and they got the paperwork, and together they make a team. Do y'all get that, y'all? They got to have us. At some point, they got to try to work us in some way, shape, or form. Well, I was tired of being worked. When I sat in front of a computer and trade stocks, I'm not beating my body up. I could literally make my money within an hour. And when you get good, like I showed y'all, you can do it in 5 minutes if the play happened at that time. But our initial time is an hour. Okay? Now I don't have to complain. Single women that have kids, if you learn this skill, now you don't have to trip about a babysitter if you don't want to. You got to go to work. You ain't got nobody to watch your kids. You stressed out. If you trade now, you can literally have your kid right next to you. And they don't have to go to the daycare if you don't want them to go. Okay? These new kids today are very lazy because the internet done made them lazy. Now, it's okay to be lazy. Get up out of that bed for an hour, go trade, and take your behind back to the bed if you want to. You made the money. The key is to make your money for the day. Now, I get it. We have to be physical and get up and move around and all that stuff, to be healthy. And I recommend that all day long. But you don't have to do that, is my point. Because what I'm talking about now, you remember we used to call this person the bum? You always see him in the house, walking around, or a drug dealer, one or the other, a bum or a drug dealer. You'll never see them go to work. They either looking like a bum or they looking like they got a ton of money. But they've been in the house all day long, or they walking, they go, leave, come back, or whatever. The bottom line is, if you've seen him never doing that, we call them bums. Especially if they didn't have no money, we call them bums. So now you can literally be a bum. And it's okay because you made your money for today or for that day. And what we are teaching the swing trade snipers, we're showing you that you don't have to worry about money no more after you learn this skill. This skill, it's like when a doctor gets his doctorate, okay? And now he starts his business. And now he's making money hand over fist. He's not worrying about money no more. He just got to still get up out of his bed and go get it. We do too. But like I broke down in the video, we don't take all of those risks a business has to take. Where you got to get a building. You got to get employees, machines, insurance, okay? Inventory. Pay rent every month. Advertisements. And you still don't know if you're going to sell your stuff. In trading, our business is the stock market. Our business opens up 9:30 to 4, 252 times a year. Inside of that stock market, if you go Google it and say how much money goes through the stock market, it's billions of dollars a day. Guess what they are? Customers. So now you have your store and you have your customers. So now what are you going to sell your customers? Okay, you're going to sell them whatever stock, option, future contract, whatever you play, whatever game you playing within the stock market, that's what you're selling. Buy high, sell low. We do options. So if don't listen to nobody when they tell y'all the stock market gonna crash. If it crash, we are rich. If it goes up crazy, we are rich. You know why? Because that's a consecutive bull run. Which once we learn the candlestick, you just sit there and let your money build. And if they fear and they scared to death and it's dropping, we're making more money. We get paid off of the fear and greed. That's what we're teaching. If you don't believe me, just go look at the videos, go on the on-demand and per the videos I'm showing you guys and try it. Don't listen to me no more. Don't listen to the messenger. Listen to the message. Go try it. And I guarantee you, when you see it, you're not gonna believe it. Like when you're watching the videos of me making $7,000 in 5 minutes. That's real, y'all. It happens every day. But people are so scared of the stock market that we don't believe it. Well, I'm from the hood. Yes, I am. I'm from South Philadelphia all my life. Okay? So the bottom line is, I'm just like y'all. I'm here to report it. I'm bringing it to the hood. Okay? It's real. It's not fake. It's better than drug money. It's better than robbing people. It's better than working. This is your new job. 9:30 to 4 if you want to stay there all day. You want to leave early? That's your business. You want to go on vacation? That's your business. You want to raise? That's your business. You can do any one of those whenever you want to do it. Can't nobody stop you. Who don't want that life? But we'll go to our regular job at, say, Walmart or something like that, right? And I'm not knocking nobody that's working. I'm just telling y'all, know your worth. Step out of your comfort zone. I had to go back to school. Bach Tech class of 89. I had to put the skills back in. Okay? And once I did that, guess what I did? The same way we got an A in math or science, I'm trying to get an A in the stock market. I just went back to school, y'all. The information is out there and we're giving this information up. So I wanted to make this video to show you guys that this thing is real. It's not fake. The stock market is real and it's not as hard as you think it is. Don't let these people lie to y'all and tell y'all you can't do it. Don't let them tell y'all need a ton of money. It's all lies. Why? Because the lion don't tell the giraffe where I'm going to get you to eat you. So why do you think they're going to do it? CNBC and the stock places, you know, the news and all. They got to spin you to keep you working. Because guess what? How do you think the stocks run? They don't run until you go to work and work for them. And then guess what? Apple goes up, Tesla goes up because we buying their products and whatnot, okay? Do me a favor, y'all. Touch anything that's around you. I don't care what it is. It's a company in the United States. Think about it. It could be a drill. It could be a cup, plastic. And these are all stuff that are on the stock market. That's where everything goes through. So you want to learn this. So now it's funny when the recession is hit. We are in a recession right now. I'm pretty sure a bunch of y'all can go out there and say that the groceries are high as hell right now. But y'all have no clue why. Y'all just see that they up. When you get into that candlestick, you're going to learn why they're up. You're going to learn how to get around that. You're going to learn that it's not going to bother you no more. You don't care. Here you go, take your money, I'll talk to you. Because where they messed up at with me, and I'm just like y'all, so y'all too, and when y'all learn it, they put us in an environment where they made us, say, $10, $15 an hour, they made us comfortable with living with that monies. So now if I can make $100 an hour, to me, I'm rich, and I'm going to keep getting richer. And in their world, that ain't nothing. We're like that goldfish that's on that well, just snatching the money, snatching thousands of dollars a day if you have it to, to make it. Because like I say, what we're teaching is a skill. We do the same skill every day. And guess what? That same skill, you might make $100. I might make 10,000. It's how much money you put up and willing to risk. And the risk comes from your confidence of what you have inside of yourself to say, I can do this. Okay? So come on, y'all. Let's learn. Like and subscribe on my channel. Let's learn. I'm teaching y'all for free. I paid over $20,000 to learn this information. But it's okay because I invested in myself. Because I always said it was get rich or die trying. No matter what happened to me, as long as I had some money to put up more bullets, but that's what money is. Now dollars are going to become your bullets. Okay? They work for you. They're your slaves. Okay? Now there is no more banks. Your money is being traded. And we have different ways you can trade it, whatever. But the bottom line is they're your employees now. And every day you send your employees out to go to work. And then they report back to you when they make that money. You watch them like a supervisor. That's all you're doing every day. So come on, y'all. Go watch my videos. Like and subscribe. We here. We just started. But we building this community one person at a time. And the more and more y'all watch these videos and learn, I'm learning with y'all guys. I just got a bunch of information that I have because I literally went so deep with this that I only got a 3 years in, but the time I put in those 3 years, that will probably be 6 years or 7 years to the average trader. And I know that. Many a nights I never went to sleep two hours of sleep, studying. Got the wrong way, the right way. Then I put together a bomb that allows us to make more money than we ever made in our life. Literally within 10 minutes. Go look at the videos if y'all don't believe me. Okay? So this is Boss Man from Swing Trade Sniper saying, I holler, y'all. And remember, if you don't know where the liquidity is at, you are the liquidity in the market. They're going to get you. So let's go, y'all. I holler.